Welcome you all students. Today we are going to learn about substance and form. Substance and form. This topic is from the subject Linguistics Part 1 English Code 102. This is our lecture number 11. We already have conducted the 10 lectures in this lecture series program. So without further ado, let's get started our today's topic, that is substance and form in language. What is substance? The actual sounds and graphical symbols like letters are substance of language. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि जो लेटर्स होते हैं या हम उनको ग्राफिकल सिंबल्स भी किसी लैंग्वेज के अंदर कह सकते हैं आर साउंड्स द यूनिट्स ऑफ साउंड्स लाइक जिनको हम फोनीम्स कहते हैं सो दीज आर द सब्सटेंस ऑफ लैंग्वेज when they are arranged in order such as words they attain form. Certainly when these letters are arranged in words or in proper word sounds, those are known as forms of those substances. So language actually, when we are talking about substance and formal linguistics, we are talking about that language is composed of substance and then it is arranged in form that is known as language. So substance is actually raw material of language. On the other hand, form is actually particular order of language. Substance is meaningless. It has no meaning. And the form, certainly it is meaningful. Substance is like ABC, etc. So it is meaningless. It is raw material of language. On the other hand, we say example as apple, Kate. So these are actually words. These are meaningful. They are arranged in a particular order. Here is something more about substance and form. Substance, all distinct sounds. Written scripts are the substance of a language. It is meaningless, only noisy, required some form of our form to become meaningful. So all distinct sounds, written scripts are substance of a language. तो जो भी sounds होते हैं या written scripts होते हैं, यानी देखिए ना कोई ABCD बजाहिर तो ये noisy है. It mean to say they have no meaning at all. So these are actually called substance in language. On the other hand, when we say when sounds, letters, words are arranged in a certain way, it is we can see some meaning in them. It becomes a form of a language. तो जाहिर सी बात है ये सारे letters, words हम जब sentences में arrange करते हैं या letters को words में arrange करते हैं तो वो form की शक्ल यानी meaningful हो जाते हैं and that is certainly known as a language. Here is an example of substance and form. Substance is just like a shapeless log of wood. A carpenter makes a chair, table out of it. He changes a substance into form. तो यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही आसान एग्जाम्पल है सब्सटेंस एंड फॉर्म की कि सब्सटेंस ऐसे है जैसे किसी लकड़ी का एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा हो और उसको हम सब्सटेंस कहेंगे यानी वो सब्सटेंस है और उसी लकड़ी के टुकड़े में से हम कोई चेयर बनाते हैं टेबल बनाते हैं यानी उसको एक फॉर्म में लाते हैं तो वो जो है फिर फॉर्म बनती है उसकी. So this is the example of substance and form. In other words, here is something more, and this time it is for students who are writing in their examination. So this is from the examination point of view. Sounds and symbols such as letters of the alphabet that represent sounds in writing are the raw material of a language. They are a phonic sound and graphic written substance of language. On the other hand, when we say the means by which an element of language is expressed in speech, our writing forms can be shown by the standard writing system for a language or by phonetic or phonemic symbols. For example, in English, the written form house and spoken form house sound. So that is actually the form of that substance. So thanks for attention. Thank you very much. Hopefully this would have been very helping for all the students.